Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the icon element. The icon element allows you to insert a visual icon into the page. Here, I have some icon elements on the page. Let's walk through the options the icon element has to offer. First, we have icon option. You can select the icon to show on the page. These icons are from Google Material Design. Next, we have icon quality. You can choose how many icons to show on the page. For example, I will set to 3 icons, and you will see 3 icons next to each other. You can set description for the icon. For example, good morning, my friend. And you will see the description show to the right of the icon. You can set icon link to redirect to when you click on the icon. You can change typography for the icon description, change font size, font weight, icon color, and description color, like this. You can make the description position show after or before the icon, like this, and align the icon to the left, to center, or to the right. A common use case for the icon element is to show product reviews. Here I have 2 product elements on the page, and now let me use the icon element to insert review counter. I will drag the icon element right here and set the icon to star. This one, icon quality to 5, description to be 100. Icon color to be yellow, and the font size should be 24. I also want to center it, and duplicate to the other product. That is how you can show product reviews on the page. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.